Understanding how to sell your cryptocurrency on Uphold is a straightforward process. This guide walks you through the steps to convert your digital assets into fiat currency or another cryptocurrency easily. To begin, open the Uphold app or log into the web platform. From your main dashboard, you need to find the Transact panel or button. This is the central hub for all your conversions, trades, and withdrawals. Once you're in the Transact section, you'll specify the asset you want to sell. Tap or click on the From field. A list of your available assets will appear. Select the cryptocurrency wallet that holds the funds you wish to sell. For instance, select Bitcoin or Ethereum. Next, you need to tell Uphold what you want to receive. Tap or click on the field. If you want cash, select the fiat currency associated with your bank account, such as US dollars or euros. If you're converting to another crypto, select the destination coin or token. Now, enter the amount you want to sell. You can type in a specific amount of the cryptocurrency, or choose a preset option like max to sell the entire balance in that wallet. After setting the amounts, Uphold will display a transaction summary. This is your chance to review the details. You will see the current exchange rate and any associated spread or fee clearly displayed. Take a moment to check everything over. Finally, if you are satisfied with the summary, tap or click the Confirm button to execute the sale. Uphold processes the transaction instantly, and the funds will appear in your destination currency wallet. If you chose to convert to fiat, the funds are now ready for withdrawal to your linked bank account. Remember, for fiat withdrawals, you will need a verified bank account linked to Uphold. The time it takes for the funds to arrive in your bank account will depend on your chosen withdrawal method and your bank's processing times. Always check Uphold's support resources for the latest information on fees and processing times.